Welcome to valleytoto.ca. You're having a look at a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SE, stock number 18079B. This is black on black in color. Current mileage on this is 75,982 kilometers at the time of filming. And this was traded by local clients in our area here from Abbotsford. They ended up buying a 2012 Toyota Camry LE that we had here at the dealership. This is accident free, and we have the Carfax report on our website at valleytoto.ca. If you're not already there, click on the CarProof logo. You get access to the report there free of charge. It does have a few blemishes, chips, marks, scratches, that kind of thing that we're going to point out as we go. Got a few small rock chips on the hood here that we're going to be touching up still. Has a few blemishes here on the front bumper. Coming down the driver's side, we've got a bit of a scratch here on the door. It's quite minor, but it is there. We've got a chip here on the rear driver's side part of the bumper. Let's have a look here in the back. Seats fold flat into the floor, giving you a ton of extra space there. This does seat 7. And we'll close this down and give you a better look here inside. Moving up front, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. AM/FM CD player with auxiliary input, heating and air conditioning controls here. We have two 12-volt outlets there at the bottom by the floor. Cruise control. We have our step and reset here for our cruise, and there's our mileage. 75,982 currently on the odometer. So if you'd like to know more about this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SE, please let us know. You can chat with us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on our website at valleytoto.ca. We're an hour from Vancouver, 45 minutes from Langley, 20 minutes from the Abbotsford area, and we'd love to talk to you more about this used van or any of the other quality used cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs that we have for sale here in Chilliwack, BC. Thanks for watching.